Go to geek4me.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. Geek4me.com, fast, local and reliable. This is the Be Quiet Lightbase 500 LX, a mid-tower PC case designed for performance, practicality and airflow. The version we have here is the black LX model, which includes ARGB fans and lighting control. It's also available in white or as a non-RGB black version, simply called the Lightbase 500. Both the LX and standard model share the same solid chassis design, built around a clever angled slide-out fan frame system. This setup directs airflow straight to the GPU area, which is ideal for modern graphics cards, and the motherboard, which can generate a lot of system heat. The standard Lightbase 500 comes with 4 120mm pure wing-free PWM fans and a stealthy all-black design. The LX version upgrades to 4 Light Wing LX ARGB PWM fans, complete with an integrated lighting controller and fan hub. The hub is worth highlighting as it's well designed, offering plenty of connection points for both fans and RGB devices, meaning you don't need to buy extra hubs or splitters to manage your lighting and cooling setup. Both models also include dual PSU mounting options for standard or back connector motherboards, also toolless side and top panels, vertical GPU support, and dust filters on the side and bottom. The front panel combines a tempered glass section with a recessed air intake. Air is pulled in through the gap between the glass and the I/O panel and channeled into the side, where the 3 front fans sit behind a magnetic dust filter. The I/O panel includes 1 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, a HD audio combined socket, reset button, power button and LED control button. The left side of the case features a near full-size tempered glass panel to showcase your build, while the right side is a single solid metal piece with air vents. The top follows the same pattern, offering plenty of ventilation, and the bottom has a removable dust filter that slides out from the front for easy cleaning. At the rear, you get the usual setup, but with an option to mount your power supply either at the bottom or in the middle height position, depending on your build layout and cable routing preferences. Everything is designed to come apart easily. The top and side panels are toolless and the front glass is secured with just 3 screws. Inside, there's plenty of space for cable management, with multiple routing holes and cutouts between the front and rear compartments. However, space can get tight at the bottom, especially if you're installing bottom fans, so it's best to run most of your cables before fitting the power supply, as it can get in the way. The vertical 24-pin cable opening is wide and easy to use, though it is quite open, meaning messy cables can be visible, especially if you're not the neatest at cabling, through that opening, especially if they contrast with your case colour. Cooling is where this case shines. The side-mounted triple fan system delivers strong direct airflow across your GPU and motherboard, while the rear fan efficiently exhausts hot air. If you install a 360mm radiator at the top, you'll get even better thermal performance, with cool intake from the sides and warm exhausting through the top. You can also add 3 120mm fans at the bottom for additional intake, but in our build, it wasn't really needed. The airflow design naturally pulls fresh air up through the bottom of the case anyway. We don't measure sound levels on cases since results vary by configuration, but the included Light Wing LX fans move a lot of air while staying noticeably quiet even under load. The case arrives in a plain brown box with black print. The rear shows an exploded view of the case and the side lists the main specifications. Inside the box, you'll find the case itself, a user manual, a selection of screws, 5 plastic cable ties, as well as a vertical GPU mount, but obviously note there is no riser cable included. The Be Quiet Lightbase 500 LX delivers a smart blend of airflow, flexibility and clean design. The side-mounted fan layout gives excellent cooling directly to your GPU, while the built-in RGB hub makes managing fans and lighting simple. You get a large viewing window, easy access panels, and strong cooling performance, all in a case that looks modern and well built. Whether you choose the RGB LX version in black or white or the standard black non-RGB model, the Lightbase 500 series offers a fresh take on mid-tower design with solid airflow and thoughtful engineering throughout.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.